sure you understand. No, I can't, but I need to make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you because we can't afford to have disgruntled people running around the place. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm not gruntled.
No. But driver, look at me and talk to me, man. Listen, the reason why this has... Driver, isn't that my phone?
You know me can't buy BlackBerry.
So how did you come by it?
Don't tell a lie upon me. You see me teeth nothing?
No. I never accused you of anything, and quite frankly, I'm happy to...
Hey, and that's how this thing work. You move up now, leave this behind in remembrance of Ronnie Jones.
You know something, driver? I refuse to believe that you of all people would attempt to extort me, you know, man.
What a big word you drop on little me. You see me look like dictionary?
Driver.
John, no, every time I look on this, I remember my 3 girl picking them hungry.
No. Driver, you don't have to worry.